Friends, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope you are doing good. Today, we're going to discuss sorting function in Excel. So see, I have some values here. I prepared some data for you guys. So let's select this value. Let's select everything. Now, when we have selected this value, the shortcut for apply filter is Control Shift and L. So see, we get the value with the filters are applied in the table. So now if the sorting could be done, just need to select this filter. It could be the ascending order, it could be descending order, it could be by color, and it could be by custom. So custom filter you see here. So you can do multiple filters, apply multiple filters over here. You want to sort by product code, you want to sort by or should we say value, you sort by ascending order, you say this is done. Now again, if you want to apply the same custom filter, you can add one more level. You can add more values here. You can add descending here. And you say it's applied. Say for it, let's now go for the above section. You say we have number filters as well, so you can apply equals to, doesn't equal to. You can provide any criteria. Let me quickly show you greater than or equal to. You see, you can apply any value here. Let me apply something for you. Is greater than or equals to 2000 and just click on apply. You see, there is no values here. So the system will not pick anything. Let me again go and see. Let me just change some values again here. Make it as 10,000. Let us see now. You see, we get the values here. So guys, this is how the sorting is done in Excel. I explained you the custom sorting and different ways of sorting. So please subscribe my channel and learn and explore Excel. Have fun, guys. Have a great day.